gonna make Thai tea with bubbles. Well, it's like a Thai milk tea with bubbles, and I got all the things I need here to make my bubble tea. Brown sugar. I got a coffee strainer because I'm gonna boil this Thai tea powder, and it got a lot of, I think those are leaves, so I have to strain it after I boil it. I got my coffee strainer. I also got this one just to make sure all the leaves and the little crumbs would be strained, because I just need like the tea itself. And I got overboard with tapioca. So I was saying I bought this too because I was so excited to make bubble tea, and I want to experiment putting all kinds of tapioca in my bubble tea. And since I was there at the Asian store, I also bought the Thai coffee, which I'm gonna show you later how I'm gonna do it. And I heard the Thai coffee is really good. So, and another one, I bought like an instant boba milk tea. So I'm gonna do a video about this too, so wait for it, y'all. Another video for this. I'm gonna need 2 cups of water, like a big one. I don't know, is this 1 cup? Okay, so I got a cup of the Thai tea powder. I'm gonna pour it here, but I'm gonna let the water boil first. And by the way, about this coffee strainer, I just remembered, if you don't have any of this, you could just use like a cloth, a clean one, so you could strain this debris off of the water later. And yeah, whatever you have at home, you could just use it. You don't have to buy anything just like this one, because it's very old. I got this from a long time, and the other one too. So just use what you have, and yeah, it's still gonna work. Water's boiling. I got like 2 cups of boiling water, and per 1 cup of boiling water, it should be 2 tablespoons of Thai tea powder. So I got like 4 tablespoons here on 2 cups of boiling water. So I'm gonna pour it in. And mind you guys, this Thai tea is very staining. My cup, it's stained already. So it's gonna turn into really reddish, like orange, deep orange color. I'm just gonna stir it. I'm gonna let it boil for a few minutes, and then we'll use a strainer. If you have a very good strainer, you could use that. You could either use a cloth to strain this leaves or this debris, the Thai tea powder, or you could use that coffee filter as well. Okay, so I'm gonna let it boil for about, it's boiling. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna stir it. By the way, that was sugar right there. Oopsie daisies. I'm gonna pour like 3/4 or 1/2 of a cup. I like my tea sweet, so maybe just might be too sweet. Well, I'm gonna put ice and milk anyway, so I want it sweet. There we go. Stir, stir to melt. Okay, I'm done boiling my Thai tea, and then I'm gonna set it aside, let it cool down before I strain it. Otherwise, I'm gonna burn everything if it's too hot. So let it cool down. It's boiling. Tapioca pearls, black sugar flavor, ready in 5 minutes. So let's pour it. Okay, mix, here we go. So let it boil again in another 5 more minutes. The bubble tea, my tapiocas are ready. Look at that pretty babies floating in the water.
This is like coating things.
Yeah, like the cereal, the cocoa cereal, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, I love these babies.
But do you know what cocoa cereal looks like?
Of course I do.
No, do you know what it really looks like?
Okay, since I can't get enough of the black tapioca, and I really love tapioca pearls, I'm gonna cook the white tapioca pearls. I'm gonna mix it with my black ones. So I just use the water from the black tapioca pearls. That's why it looks dark. And I'm gonna go mix it. Give me 1 second. Mix, and let it boil. My Thai tea cooled down a bit, so I could pour it here. Here you go. I hope I get all the debris out.
Oh my gosh, it's going in.
It is. It should be.
Whoa.
And it's dripping
I
under.
see it. I see it.
That means this one works. So after I strain everything,
Oh my gosh.
I could just throw this coffee strainer away. I got my tapiocas in my pretty container. I'll fill in with my Thai tea. Just only halfway, because I know this is too sweet. And then I'll pour my milk in and ice. So I filled it up with ice. Now I'm gonna pour milk. Oh my gosh, so pretty! So pretty and so yummy.